Okay, good afternoon everybody. After millions and millions of you were... Doc, I'm filming here, Doc, do you mind? So this afternoon I'm going to be making some pasta pomodoro. Millions of you are asking me, when will I come back and start cooking again? Simplest recipes that you've ever had. So pasta pomodoro, conchiglie, onions, some Italian tomatoes. I'm not using manzana because even though Stanley Tucci recommended them, they're £5 a tin. Some olive oil is perfect, and we'll be starting soon, so come back and join me. Clive, we're going to have some hungry chickens over here. Turn the camera around to them, Clive, thank you. A nice little close-up here. It's a very simple pasta pomodoro. I'm about to the basil to chop, but obviously as a true Italian I'm not going to chop, you're going to tear, aren't you? Pecorino we use, but I couldn't find the pecorino, so I've got to have some parmigiano, which we normally eat, we don't use to cooking, but we won't have this time around. Yeah. It's a nice little dessert for the chickens later on as well. And there you have pasta pomodoro for 16 and 17, I don't know how many there are of them hungry. It's not easy to cook for so many people, but hopefully they will enjoy.